Nice sunny day. Yeah, turn the bastard off. Oh yeah, good time for a ride. Yeah. Yeah, and stretch. Yeah, feels good. But I want to turn the kettle on. There we go, you bastard bread. Oh yeah, coffee. Get that in here. Pour that nice and slow. Yeah. Stir the bastard. Oh, taste ready. Yeah, bit of Vegemite. Oh, take a seat. Yeah, that's good. Oh, but it's pretty dumb. Just get on there. Get on there, you bloody. Thanks, Ah, yeah, gotcha. Righto, time to head up beachy, show these boys how it's done. Yeah, chase down some leader class bikes. Yeah, smash them. It's getting dark. Hey, what bloody hell's this? Hey? Blue skies over there, mate. Why is it raining right here? Nah, this ain't on. Nah, this is bullshit. Hey? Maybe stop raining. Huh. Well, ain't gonna stop me. I'll get back on my bike. Yep. Kickstand up. Man, full send, mate, full send. You what, mate? Nah, bullshit. Nah, it's bull. Pissing down. What is it doing? What you think you're doing? Nah, piss off. Nah, bullshit. Hey, what? Stopped again. Nah, whatever. Get back on me bike again. Righto. Yep, what was this? Who's pissing? Me? What the? Ugh. You're bloody kidding me. Right, that's it. Go on, inside you mongrel. It's not supposed to be bloody raining, mate. It's just not fair. What do I do? Oh, hang on. I've got an idea. Hey, how about we play a game of bloody Jenga, mate? Yeah, let's stack her up, eh? Alright, yeah, let's put this. Yep. Just tap under here. Hey, look at that. Yep, alright. Yeah, steady Eddie. Oh, be careful now. Steady hands, that's what they call me. Oh, yeah, bloody bullshit. Hey, you thought that was funny, did you? Oh, yeah, well, I've got another game. Yeah, bloody yeah. Our game, this one. Yeah, you and me, mate. You're torn. Oh, okay. Really nothing but yellows. Oh, what's me hand got? Oh, got him now. No bike's gonna bloody outsmart me. Yeah, take that. Yeah, 2 cards, mate. On. +4. Oh, nah, that's bullshit. Nah. You're lucky I don't know the rules of the game. Oh, man, have a bit more drink. Oh, I'm empty. Oh, you're back. Oh, my back. I need more beer. It's empty.
Oh, wake up, Scotty.
It's not fair.
Oh, you bloody dickhead, get up.
Ah! Hi there viewers, I hope you enjoyed our little skit video. It's been a while since we've done one of these. I hope you enjoyed my little Alf Stewart impersonation. Yeah, it's bloody good, mate. Not bad. And if you found this video somewhat amusing, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to head over to our official 60 Degrees YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. We've got more videos heading your way for your viewing pleasures. Coming soon to our channel, we've got the VFR and RVF motorcycle review. These bikes are a bloody ripper. And also heading to our channel is the Ruroc Atlas 2.0 product review. Yes, I do have some mixed thoughts about this particular helmet, but nonetheless, I think it's very important to highlight some issues. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed our video, and as always, my fellow motorcycle enthusiasts, get on your two wheels and free the sail. Thanks for watching.
It talks to you.
Cool feature.
Hey there, buddy. Oh, I'm right in front of you. I put a zip tie on it. I put a zip tie in there just to help for extra protection. It's a air cooling speed feature.
Yeah.
Yeah.